Ever wanted to make a video or record your voice while speaking or singing and end up with what sounds like your voice and this constant buzzing, humming, droning noise? Well, that's background noise. This video will show you how to get rid of that. Here's a sample clip. She sells seashells by the seashore. After you have your recording, record an additional 3 to 4 seconds worth of audio to get a sample of the noise. Select this recording, making sure there's nothing but constant noise. Then on the file menu, go to Effect, Noise Reduction. At the very top, click on Get Noise Profile. Now remove the extra recording if you'd like, and then Ctrl-A to select the whole recording. And then go back to Effect, Noise Reduction. You can preview the effect if you want and make any adjustments. I just leave it at the default settings. Now click on OK. The audio now consists of just the voice minus the background noise. She sells seashells by the seashore. She sells seashells by the seashore. And there you have it. If you found this useful, please like and share the video and subscribe to my channel to help it grow. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.